Hello, welcome back to the 5th episode. Wow, so exciting. Okay, first thing I'd like for me to do is to give a shout out to the I Go school in Foxborough, Massachusetts. And yes, I painted a mural there. And I also designed this fox-like character. The shirt's a bit worn because I've been wearing this a lot. Okay, now let's choose what to mash up. And this is what I'll add today. Look at this. Look at how many entries. There's even someone who turned in 8 different mashup suggestions. So, lots. Oh yeah, now they're being submitted to not just YouTube and Facebook, but also Instagram and Twitter. So thank you very, very much. Okay, let's choose. See who's okay. Oh wow, awesome. This one's from Mike Bushinski. He and his wife Stacy, they hosted me when I painted a mural over in Long Island at the South Bay School. As you can tell, a lot of the entries are from the schools I've worked with, and it's awesome because this is a great way to keep in touch while we're observing social distancing. But quite frankly, I wish school starts. I really miss working with kids and painting a mural, but in the meantime, well, Mike, this is, let's try to draw a Kangaroo and Cupcake mashup. Ooh, I believe this is our most challenging one to date. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll turn on my projector. Whoa, that's bright. And I'll move over here and we'll start drawing. Okay, so as you know, you cannot erase, because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. I'm using a Sharpie, so I can't erase, and I draw really fast, so if you can't catch up, just pause the video, and also, you don't have to draw exactly like how I'm illustrating this, so feel free to be super creative and kind of make it up as you go along too. Alright, let's start. So let's start with Cupcake. So what I'd like for you to do is draw some waves. And there you go. Think of the ocean. Draw some waves. Okay, then after that, draw 2 lines that kind of point towards the bottom, so to form the shape of the cupcake. Then after that, draw the base. Okay? After you do that, let's draw the cupcake portion, the top. So add some cloud-like shapes like this. Once again, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. And then add a sort of like curl at the top. Okay? Alright, so I've been saying jimmies a lot. As you know, I'm here in Boston, so we say jimmies instead of sprinkles, and my favorite number is 15. I'll add 15 sprinkles. Fun. Okay, now let's draw the kangaroo mom's head. So draw a line, sort of like this, the start of the neck, on top of the cupcake. And draw her first ear, like this. Alright. And after that, draw the top of her head and the start of her nose. So draw the sort of like S-shape right there. And all my characters are happy. Draw the nose and kind of make it arc up for the smile. If you like, add the dimple. Then add her other ear, like that. And then add the chin and complete the neck. There you go. Now the surprise, give her one big eye and one little one. As you may know, most of my characters are super happy. And then add her pupil. So just kind of draw another circle but make them thick. This is a kind of different way of how we've been doing it. And let's make her pretty. Add some long lashes. And if you want, detail on her nose. There you go. After this, I know we're super fast. Let's draw her kind of legs and big feet. So draw to sort of like ear-like shape or a beginning of a question mark. Then her big feet, one big foot, and do the same shape, sort of like a question mark or an ear, and another big foot. Alright, if you want, you can add details on. Do you still call these paws? Because I love paws. Alright, then let's draw her tail. So draw sort of like a half a circle here, and this is fun. Then draw a line or a curved line like this for the beginning of her tail. And then do the bottom part and kind of connect it to her feet. It's a giant leg, tail. Okay, if you want, you can add detail for her belly, her bottom belly. Let's give her some arms. So draw 2 arms. So she's sort of like saying or waving hello to you. Yeah, let's make her wave. So draw some hands. I know this is not realistic, but that's okay. Kangaroo cupcakes don't exist. Alright. I love this part. We're going to add the pouch for her baby kangaroo or her Joey. Okay. And then we'll add the Joey. So add the smaller version of the mom. I'm doing this really fast, but sort of mimic the mom. Again, pause here, and I'm drawing really fast. For the eyes, I'm just going to give him 2 dots, and I'll give arms and hands. We are almost done. Add details for the cup. And I like this. Maybe we should give her a cherry on top, the mom. And we are done. And as you know, the last thing I'll do is to sign it, because I will be mailing this to Mike. I'm going to go back to the screen. So Mike, please email me your address to smileyb@bataclan.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell so you'll know when the new episode comes out, because I am going to be taping every single day, and I look forward to episode number 6. Have a nice weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.